Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about some things that you should never use to clean your sunglasses. That's right, these are things that you should absolutely never use if you want to clean your sunglasses, okay? I'll be going over 7 of them, and you should never use these things to clean your sunglasses. Now, I was supposed to have sunglasses on my head as a video prop. I forgot to put them on. They're over here, so just give me a moment. I'm gonna grab them and put them on my head. Just gonna give them a little shake to make sure I get anything off of them, and then we're gonna put them on my head. So here are my sunglasses as a video prop, and let's go over the 7 things that you should never use to clean these things right over here. So without further ado, these are the things. I'm gonna go through them quickly, so pay attention, okay? Starting off with number one. Number one is paper towels. Paper towels are just not the best thing to clean your sunglasses with because they can be kind of rough. Okay, even when paper towels are really soft, they're meant to be absorbent, not really soft. Like the job of a paper towel is to absorb stuff, not really to clean things in terms of like delicate things. And your sunglass lenses are delicate, okay? They can be delicate in terms of like, you know, when you regularly use paper towels, you might be using them on the floor, on the countertop. Your sunglass lens is way more delicate than those things. So paper towels are just not a good idea in terms of cleaning your sunglasses with them, okay? They're sliding down my head because they are, I'm getting a little bit sweaty here. Moving on to the next, which is number 2. Number 2 is toilet paper. Don't use toilet paper to clean your sunglasses, okay? It's a bit softer than paper towel, but still not super soft. But in addition, it can leave behind like a little bit of like almost like a dusty sort of like residue. You know, like I guess the little pieces of toilet paper it might end up on the lens. It's just not a good idea. I mean, in the worst case scenario, you know, toilet paper is better than many other options, but I just wouldn't recommend cleaning your sunglasses with toilet paper. You know, and in the worst case scenario, even if you are going to clean them with toilet paper, you should make sure you are using the best solution that you can use in order to get them as lubricated as possible. But I would still say not a good idea to clean them with toilet paper. Even in the worst case scenario, it's not a good idea to clean them with toilet paper. So yeah, you should never use toilet paper to clean your sunglasses. Like I said, I guess in the worst case scenario, you would use almost anything, right? But yeah, toilet paper is something you should never use to clean your sunglasses. It's kind of soft, but it might leave behind like that little bit of like the linty residue on the lens. So do not use toilet paper to clean your sunglasses. Plain and simple. You know, like I said, the worst case scenario, you'll probably use almost anything. But yeah, don't use toilet paper. Plain and simple. Moving on to the next, which is number 3. Number 3 is your clothing. Your clothing, you know, just not a good idea to use your clothing to clean your sunglasses. It might feel soft, but it's probably not soft. And in addition, your clothing is getting all of the dust from the environment on it. So when you wipe your sunglasses, that can be scratchy on the surface. So don't use your clothing, plain and simple. Not a good idea to use your clothing, okay? Moving on to the next, which is number 4. Number 4 is a window cleaner, okay? You know, window cleaner is used to clean windows and it has solution in it to clean windows, but not a good idea on your sunglass lenses because, you know, it might end up deteriorating the coating on the lens or the actual quality of the lens. Window cleaner has stuff in it that's meant to help windows in terms of cleaning, but not sunglasses. It's meant for windows. Plain and simple, don't use window cleaner, okay? Next up is number 5. Number 5 is regular wipes. By that I mean, you know, hand wipes, sanitary wipes in terms of like hand sanitization wipes, baby wipes, anything like that. Don't use that kind of stuff. You know, it might be tempting because you're like, oh, this is already wet and moist and it's got a lubricant in it within it. But you know, even though it might already be lubricated and even though it might be moist, it's not a good idea. They're not meant to clean sunglasses. Now, lens wipes are a different story, but regular wipes are a no-no. Okay, don't use regular wipes. Next up is number 6. Number 6 is hot water. When you're using water as part of your solution to clean your sunglasses, don't use hot water. Depending on your sunglasses and what the frame is made of, you know, hot water can make the frame more malleable and can cause the frame to maybe bend slightly. In addition, it might deteriorate the coating of the lenses. I'm not sure, but don't use hot water. Warm water is okay. Hot water is a no-no. Last but not least is number 7. Number 7 is dry wiping on dusty lenses, okay? Dry wiping on a dusty lens. Don't dry wipe on a dusty lens. If your sunglass lens is dusty, do not dry wipe anything on it because that dust will end up, it will likely scratch your lens. It will be more likely to scratch your lens. Like, it's not guaranteed going to scratch your lens, but guess what? If your lenses are dusty and you're dry wiping them, no matter what you're dry wiping them with, guess what? It might scratch your lens. The dust might scratch your lens and you don't want to take that risk. So don't do it, okay? Now, like I said, Earlier on, I did say that, maybe in an emergency last case scenario, maybe it's okay to use toilet paper. But the truth is, I think that's what I said, if I remember correctly. But I did say in a worst case scenario, it's okay to use one of the things that I spoke about towards the beginning of the video. Okay, I believe it was toilet paper, but I could be wrong. But the truth of the matter is that in an emergency scenario, in a worst case scenario, you're going to use whatever you can to clean your glasses. And guess what? To wipe your glasses. And guess what? They might get scratched. But in that situation, you're valuing the cleanliness of the lens more than the chance of them getting scratched or damaged. So in a worst case scenario or in an emergency scenario, you're going to use anything to clean your lenses. But if you have a choice, you want to avoid these things that I mentioned in this video at all costs in terms of cleaning your glasses and wiping your glasses in general. That's it. So, worst case scenario, emergency scenario, do whatever you got to do. But if you're regularly cleaning your glasses, just a regular scenario, cleaning your sunglasses, wiping your sunglasses, whether it's the frame or the lens or any part of it, avoid the things that I talked about, okay? Just avoid them. That's all. You should never use them to clean your sunglasses. That's all. That's it. Literally, that's all I have to say. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, but other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.